So to start off with, we click on Start Here, we click on Create, and we are a visitor and a non-resident. We will be flying in, and we choose the airline that we're flying in on. So in this example, it is TUI Airways. Now, for security reasons, I have blurred out my flight number and a few other details, but you can understand that. Again, very easy. Just choose the date of which you're going to arrive in Barbados, then your flight number and where you're flying from. So in this case, I'm flying from Birmingham. Again, as you can see, very straightforward. If you live in the UK like myself, then they advise you to put 5 zeros where it says zip code, because if you put your normal postcode in, it will error. Now, any dates that you put in from here, they'll be guided through. So it will ask you for the year first, then the month, and then the date. Now, they've made it very easy not to get this part wrong, which is what so many people struggled with on the previous version, with the month and the date being in the American format. So now you just choose your year, you choose your month, and you choose the date. When you enter your phone number, don't forget to hit the right country code, so the UK is 44, and leave the first 0 out from your phone number. Travel document type is passport, and then you put your passport number in the next box. Now, if you have travelled to any other countries within the last 21 days, then you need to declare them here, and then include the expiry date of your passport. Now, in this box, don't forget to include the country you live in, or you will receive this error at the top. Purpose of visit can either be vacation, holiday, or of course cruise. Now, if you are boarding a cruise ship, because you will only be there for a few hours before leaving the port, you don't have to put anything for accommodation apart from not required, comes in and leaves the same day. And because you're boarding a cruise ship, you don't need to put the parish. Now, if there are others travelling with you, this is where you will add them. This is all very straightforward. In this instance, I'm going to be taking one suitcase and a piece of hand luggage, so I will put 2 in this box, and then the rest click on no. Where it says I am or we are bringing in pharmaceuticals, this doesn't mean if you've got any medical conditions and you have to bring your medicines and tablets, etc. It doesn't mean that. It means if you're bringing in pharmaceuticals to sell. Then gives you the opportunity to check all of the details by clicking the down arrows. You should receive an email and you'll be able to print out the PDF. Hope you found this useful, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much.